All right, y'all, we back at it. I'm changing the mufflers again here at Chicago Mufflers on Boudini. Right now we picked up some Bassani Axle Back Mufflers to go onto Boudini. Previously I threw in the Ford Racing Sport mufflers, and now that the car is pro-charged, I feel like the exhaust is very restricted. So right now we're just gonna open up the noise for this car once more, and we're gonna see what it sounds like right after we throw these on. These Bassani mufflers, I looked up some videos and I picked them up off Facebook Marketplace. The previous owner who had them, it sounded awesome on their car. With these Ford Racing mufflers right here, I feel like there's a little bit too much material packed on the inside, which reduces the sound extremely. The car still sounds good with these mufflers how they are on now, but it's just a little bit too quiet, as y'all know. So y'all, so they got the mufflers off. We're gonna give this thing a start up straight piped how it originally was before. Go ahead. This is with the P1SC ProCharger setup. Basically kind of a little bit more. Yeah, sounds good. But now we're about to go ahead and throw on these Bassani Axle Backs right here, and it's not gonna be too loud. It should be pitch perfect. All right, y'all, we got the Bassani Axle Back pipes up on into Boudini right here right now. They're about to give it a start. I do have this reflector piece in the trunk. It didn't fit in right, but here we go. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. I'm already liking it. He's gonna check for some leaks as well. He's gonna check for some leaks. Yeah, now we got some good throttle to it now for sure. I think this should be mighty perfect. Go some more. Yeah, buddy. Hell yeah. What you think? That's on point. Beautiful. I think it's on point, man. This thing sounds off the chain right now. And I'm thinking that we're not gonna have a loud drone too. What you think?
Get real. Sounds good enough. Ah, yeah.
Hell yeah. So we're about to get this thing on the road, and I want to do some badass pulls for y'all with this P1SC ProCharger installed, so we can really feel this fucking thing rip and open the fuck up. Leak testing. All right, y'all, that's gonna conclude the video of me just switching back over to another set of mufflers. We got the Bassani Axle Back Mufflers now installed onto Boudini. The previous setup actually did not sound bad now that I compare these videos. However, when I was in the car, like I just wasn't feeling it so much with those Ford Performance mufflers. It didn't sound bad, but with these Bassani mufflers, I can really feel it in the car, and it's just that feeling that you get inside where you're just shifting gears and you banging, and you know you coming down the street sounding very good, but also sounding badass too. So with the drone, that was an overall big thing with this car. The drone is a little bit louder with these mufflers, but it's not as loud as not having no mufflers on with my previous. And the next videos, I'm looking forward to doing some pulls with this car with the P1SC ProCharger. So yeah, stay tuned. If you guys missed the install video, check that out. Otherwise, thank you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned for some hard pulls coming soon, man. We going.